Welcome. In this video we're going to take a look at this Makita DVC260. This one's a 2017 model, so it's 5 years old. I bought it off a well-known, well, I bought it off eBay, non-working. So let's have a little look at what we've got. So first thing I think I want to do is take this backpack off to give us access to everything. Now from what I can see, looking underneath here, I found some screws. So I'm going to just remove them. Because I kind of figured no matter what the outcome of putting batteries on this, I'm still going to want to take it apart, clean it, etc. Even if it turned out and came on. Okay, brilliant. That's how we take the backpack off. So that gives us the vacuum cleaner itself. I'm just going to put these screws over here out of the way. Let's flip it over and we'll take a start. Let's have a look in here. Okay, straight up there's dust in the dust bag container. Somebody held the bag together with an elastic band. So I think what I'm going to do is throw this bag away, throw the filter away and come back in a second. Right, I've took the bag out and there's a load of crud in here already. So let's take this filter out. Hopefully the back of the filter's fairly clean. It is. The front of the filter's absolutely rancid. So let's put that in the bin. And I'm going to get a hoover in here. There's quite a bit of dust about inside there already. Let's close that. And I think next, let's put some batteries on it and see if it does anything. Oh, the light works. Okay, amazingly it works, and you know what, I think it's got quite a lot of suction for a battery powered vacuum. But I think, looking at the state of the filter, that we're going to be sensible to just pop this thing apart and give it a good clean inside. I'm not 100% sure how it comes apart, so I'm going to apply the screws here. Let's take them out. There's 8 screws I've took out. One, two, three, 4, 5, 6, 2 there. That's all 8 screws found. Let's put this way round. Okay, there appears to want to come apart like that. Okay. So this is what's in here. A couple of output filters. Okay, it looks like we've been very, very, very lucky with the inside of this. It's incredibly clean in here. Even the filters on the output are clean. So, even though it was a bit cruddy in here, it hasn't got through. Now, if you remember the other one of these I took apart, there's a few improvements I can see here. They put a fuse down here, which is a 30 amp fuse on the battery power. So that's a plus. And when we look at the motor assembly, they put a mesh over it. Now that will stop the large lumps of crud that got into the portable one that I've took apart in a previous video that had actually got cement inside it. This here will stop that. So it's interesting that there's either a few improvements or a few options they've decided to not fit. This is your replaceable cable here, which is your controls. So I think what I'm going to do, I'm going to give this a little bit of a spray and a wipe out. I'm going to give the top a spray and a wipe out, put it back together. We'll just give it a test. I haven't got a bag for it, so I can't do a suction test with it. But yeah, I think for spares and repairs that I paid, I think 25 or 30 quid for, that's quite impressive. But it does at least show you how you can take this machine apart if you've got one yourself. So I'm going to grab something to give this a clean with. Right, I'm going to go at this, I think, just with a Dyson. Do the other half. Okay, that's useful. The actual collar for the vacuum part of it is replaceable, so if that gets damaged, you can change it. Let's have this back and put it back together. I'm very impressed with how clean this is inside. These filters they're like new. So what that says to me is that it hasn't got through. So I'm going to put that in the top here. You can see these other filters. There's no dust ingress inside the machine. As I put this on here, I've had to just give these a little push to make sure they go back behind. Let's just give the back of this a vacuum off. And pop this back together. Just noticed two of the screws shorter than the rest. No, they aren't. Ignore me. It was an optical illusion. Okay, battery's back on, and there we go. One Makita DVC series vacuum cleaner repaired. Well, there was nothing to repair, was there? It's working. So sometimes you look out when you buy stuff for spares repairs off eBay. Sometimes you don't. This was just one of those that was good. So thank you for watching. I hope you've enjoyed this, and please hit the subscribe, etc., and have a look at the other videos. Thank you.